Hello, welcome to TS classes. In this video, we will study about unit digit. In most of the examination, a question is asked, what is the power of a longer number with the power is also a longer number? How we will solve this? This type of question is asked in every type of examination. So today we will learn a small trick how to solve this question within 2 to 3 seconds. Okay, let's start our class. By solving such type of problem, first we have to see what is the unit digit of a number. If the unit digit is 1, then its power, whatever the power of 1, the unit place always comes 1. So 1 has a repetition factor is always 1. That means whatever the power we can take, if the unit digit is 1, then always the unit place comes 1. Similarly, if we take a number which is having the unit digit is 2, then what we can get? Suppose the number is 2, then the square of 2 power 1 is equal to 2. 2 square is equal to 4. 2 power q is equal to 8. 2 power 4 is equal to 16. 2 power 5 is equal to 32. Here we have seen that in case of the power increases, the number and the unit digit, first is 2, then 4, then 8, then 6, again 2. After if you take 2 power 6, then we can get 64, which is having the unit digit is 4. That means we can easily find out that the number is 2, 4, 8 and 6. This number 2, 4, 8 and 6 repeats every time. 2, 4, 8, 6, again 2, 4, then if the power 2 power is 7, then it is 120. That means it is also 8. Again it will be 6. So the repetition factor in case of the 2 is always 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 is always the repetition factor of 2. So we have to remember what is the power, what is the repetition factor of every number. For repetition factor, we have seen all this number we have divided into 3 categories. First category is equal to, if the repetition factor is 1, that means whatever the power we can take, always the unit digit is the same digit. So first is the repetition factor is equal to 1. Repetition factor equals to 1. So if you take from this number, within this number the repetition factor is 1, having numbers which are 0, 1, 5 and 6. These 4 numbers, if you are taking any larger number, what is the unit digit? If the unit digit consists of 0, 1 or 5 or 6, then whatever the power, it is always the same number itself. So no need of calculation there. So repetition factor 1 is of 0, 1, 5 and 6. We can see it. 1, if the unit digit 1, the power is always 1. 5, 5, 6, 6, 0 and 0. So repetition factor 1 is clear. Next we will go for what is the repetition factor 2. Here we have seen from this table, it is in that the number which is the perfect square, that is the 4 and 9. So number 4 and number 9 having the repetition factor is 2, because if you multiply 4 with 4 we can get 16. So 16 unit digit is 6. If you multiply again 4, the unit digit becomes 4, because 16 into 4 is equal to 64, which is having the unit digit is 4. So in case of 4 and 9, the repetition factor is 2. Then we got repetition factor 2. Repetition factor 2 is for 4 and 9. Now we have finished 4 digit, that is 0, 1, 5, 6, 4 and 9. Without of these 4 digits are there. The numbers are 2, 3, 7 and 8. These 4 numbers having the repetition factor is 4. Its repetition factor is 4. 4. So from this we have learned repetition factor 1 is of the number 0, 1, 5, 6. Repetition factor 2 for the number 4 and 9. Repetition factor is 4 for the number 2, 3, 7 and 8. Now we will study how to find the unit digit of a number having a larger number of power. What is the process for this? We will study first the process. Suppose in a question it is given what is the power of 7, 3, 8, 2, 4, 9, 7. The power will be 7, 8, 4, 9, 6, 2, 3. In the question it is given that what is the unit digit of this number. Now our aim is to find the unit digit. So what we have to do? First we have to convert this larger number to a smaller number having a power b. First we have to convert this number into a smaller number having the power of a and a power b. So what is a and what is b? From this, first we have to think what is a. A is the unit digit of the number. In the larger number, what is the unit digit here? That will be denoted as a. So a is equal to here 7. Now we have to go for the b. Before the finding b, we have to check what is the repetition factor of this a. Here a is equal to 7. So 7 repetition factor is 4. Since the repetition factor is 4 here, so first we have to check the what is the power number. From the power number, we have to take only the last 2 digit. Last 2 digit here is 23. From 23, we have to divide it with 4. From the last 2 number, we have to divide with the repetition factor of a. That means 23 is divided with 4. In the division, what is the answer? We don't require. We only require to what is the remainder part. Here we get 4 into 5 is equal to 20 and the remainder is 3. What is the remainder? Remainder is itself b. So a power b, that means 7 power 3. In 7 power 3, we have to check 7 power 1 is equal to 7, 7 power 2 is equal to 9, 7 power 3 is equal to 3. So the unit digit is here is 3. So 3 is the answer. Here I have detailsly described what is the process to find the unit digit. Next we have take another example. The question is 2, 3, 8, 5, 4 to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So first thing we have to convert this number into a power of b. So what is a here? A is always the unit digit. So a is equal to 4 is here. So a is equal to here it is 4. A is 4. For the finding b, we have to find what is the repetition factor of a. The repetition factor of a is equal to 2 is here. So the number which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it is divisible by 2. So we have to take only the last 2 digit. Last 2 digit is 56. 56 is divisible by 2. That means there is no remainder. Remainder is equal to 0. If the remainder is 0, then first we have to check the last number. That means for 4. If the remainder was 1, then we have to find 6. If the remainder was 2, then we have to find 4. Since there is no remainder, so the answer is 4. We have seen if it divided by 2, so 56 divided by 2, so the remainder may be either 0 or 1. If the remainder is 1, the answer will be 6. If the remainder is 0, the answer will be 4. Since the remainder is 0, so answer is here is 4. So the fourth power of 6 is equal to the unit digit is 4. The next example is 1, 4, 5, 7, 2, 3 to the power of 1, 8, 7, 2, 3, 3. Here we have to convert into a power of b. So a is here 3. So a is equal to 3 is here. For finding b, we have to check what is the repetition factor of a. We know the repetition factor of a, that is repetition factor of 3 is equal to 4 is here. So first we have to divide the power last 2 digit with 4. So 33 divides 4. 33 divides 4. The remainder is here 1. So b will be 1. So 3 power of 1, that means a power of b we have to convert. 3 power 1 is equal to 3. So answer is 3 here. The next question. The question is 1, 2, 4, 3, 6 to the power of 3, 7, 4, 2, 1, 3. Here a is equal to 6 because the unit digit is 6. So A is equal to 6 here. And B, since A is equal to 6, no need of any calculation because the repetition factor of 6 is always 1. So whatever the power, no need of calculation, because if the unit digit is 0, 1, 5, 6, then no need of calculation. Only the answer will be 6. Whatever the power, does not matter. It is always 6 will be the answer. The next question is 24608 to the power of 224206. Now here the unit digit is 8. So A is equal to 8 is here. For finding the B, we have to check the repetition factor of A. What is the repetition factor of 8? Here the repetition factor of 8 is equal to 4 is here. So first we have to divide the last two digit number with 4. That means 6 divides 4. The remainder will be 2. Since the remainder is 2, we have to find 8 the power of 2. So power of 8 is equal to 64. That means 4 will be the answer. The last question for today's class is 187399 to the power of 993841. Here, the first step we have to convert to A power of B. So A is here 9 because the unit digit is 9. Now we have to find the B. For B, we have to check what is the repetition factor of A. Since A is equal to 9, its repetition factor will be 2 because the A is 9 is a perfect square. I have already told you that the perfect square of the 4 and 9, that is 4 and 9 is the perfect square, the unit digit, the repetition factor here is 2. So A is equal to 9 is here, that means its repetition factor is 2. Since the repetition factor is 2, we have to divide the 41 with 2. By dividing 41 with 2, the remainder will be 1 because 40 is divisible, 40 is not, 1 is not divisible. So the remainder is 1 here. So B is equal to here 1. So 9 power of 1 is equal to 9. The answer will be 9. So in this class we have studied how to find the unit digit of a square, unit digit of a power of a larger number, and the power is also a larger number within small fraction of second. So this class is over. Next we will study another trick of mathematics. Thank you.